Welcome back, East Tennessee. Starting off with your 7-day forecast, I want to show you the last two really comfortable days that we're going to see in the week before we get that more aggressive heat towards the end of it. So today, of course, going to be cool because of that air that's reinforcing up in the upper 70s. Wednesday, tomorrow, we're going to see the first jump that takes us into the middle 80s. That's right around average before we start to see those 90s about Thursday and beyond. Here on your satellite radar, you're still watching the impact of this cold front that's hanging a little bit further off into our south. We're watching cloud cover continue to retreat in this direction. Still watching a little bit coming into parts of western Tennessee and some cloud cover fading here out of Appalachia. But that's really all that we're expecting. It's just some cloud cover. So we see high pressure make its way in from the northern plains, and it's slowly continuing to push its way on over towards the east. Of course, today, like I said, because of that location on Tuesday, really going to help reinforce some of that cooler air. And as we get closer to your Wednesday, your Thursday, we're continuing to watch this high pressure then push its way on over towards the east, continuing to shift those winds and bring us some more warm and moist air. Eventually, by the end of the week, those winds going to be pushing more so out of the south-southeast, which is again going to bring in some of that warm, moist air as we get towards the end of the week, which is just going to help accelerate that temperature rise that we are seeing. Now we're jumping to the 90s by Thursday, and by the weekend, continuing to push further into those lower to middle 90s. Then, of course, we are going to be seeing very dry weather. I'm sure a lot of people are happy about it because we have been seeing such a wet May and such a wet June already as well. We've already seen upwards of 3 inches of rain, which is significantly what we are normally seeing at this time of year. And then, of course, when it comes to the temperatures, we've sat right around average, but that, of course, is about to change. These are going to be some of the first 90-degree days that we have seen of the year, and we basically have not really seen them since last summer. Now going to be completely dry up through your Father's Day, and first rain chances appearing on that Monday.